and maybe how they're looking at in the next 10, 20 years. As they talk about the GDPs and the contribution, we have to realize coming to Goa that the major contribution to the economy, to the GDP of Goa is from the tourism sector, which is roughly contributing to close to 17% and taking care of roughly about 35 to 40% of direct and indirect employment. COVID has given us a lot of lessons, and post-COVID the whole thought of a tourist has changed. As a government working closely with our Chief Minister, who is ready to take all the new ideas and start making changes, we have realized that we have to adapt to the new thoughts, the transformative thoughts of the tourist. Immersiveness, they want to be experiential, they want to do something more. And that gave us the thought that how do we look at Goa in terms of exploring better. Today, in the last 2 years, along with our Chief Minister, we have been working on reforms, we have been working on policies, we have been working on infrastructure, we have been working on new tourism services, and very importantly, the whole vision document shifts from quantity to quality, and very importantly again, a line which we have been using extensively is Goa beyond beaches. Last 2 years we have realized that the numbers are not talking for what the economic stock. Overall with the 1.5 million population, we cater to roughly about 10 million tourists a year. Roughly 90% of them being domestic and balance 10% being international. We are coming back to the figures of what we have had pre-COVID. In fact, this year, within the last 7 or 8 months from Jan to August, we are close to 86 lakhs, means close to 1 crore of 10 million of our tourists coming this particular year. Now, these economics wouldn't speak unless they contribute back to the Goa, to the state in the various ways they can use and explore. And I always compare with people when they go abroad to a place like Dubai and when they come to a place like Goa, how is it that we can make them spend better and give them more experiences to take away? We needed to move a little differently, so we started talking about Goa beyond beaches. Goa has always been known conventionally for the pristine beaches, the nightlife, churches, temples. But I should say here that we have lovely hinterlands, we have lovely ecotourism, we have great adventure trails, we have lovely parts where wellness is being there. Conventions, weddings are there. And very importantly, to talk about the culinary, I can say that informally we have become the food capital of the country. If you move from the north right to the south, you will find that every culinary is there, not only Indian, but internationally also we have been able to get people set up restaurants, set up shops, which cater different cuisines to different people who have been coming here to explore the state of Goa.